Well, Chris, as you just mentioned, today's wind could impact cleanup efforts after Tuesday's destructive tornadoes.
And we've learned one person was found dead in the rubble in Aroma Park, which marks the first tornado death in Illinois from the storms. Darius Johnson live in Aroma Park this morning for a third day. And Darius, crews and volunteers are still working to clear debris, and they've got a long road ahead.
Hey there, ladies. Good morning to the both of you. Today is now day 3 of cleanup after that tornado ripped through Aroma Park. And this morning, you already talk about those crews who are working to clean up a lot of the mess that you see that's left behind. Again, of course, you can see these trees that are still right here behind me. There are plenty of wood chippers right here on this block trying to pick up big piles of trees that are left behind, just like that, to try to clear a lot of this debris out of this area. However, today it could become even more challenging for those crews with the severe winds that are coming through this area that could send loose debris flying in neighborhoods that are already torn apart. Now, it's been more than 48 hours since an EF-3 tornado tore through Kankakee County with winds reaching 150 miles per hour. On the second day of cleanup, investigators found one person dead in the rubble, the first confirmed tornado fatality in Illinois from these storms. Across Kankakee County, residents are still digging through debris to try to salvage what they can. Nearly 500 structures were damaged and 30 homes were destroyed. Yesterday, Governor J.B. Pritzker toured the damage in Aroma Park and says the state will request federal disaster assistance through FEMA to help families begin rebuilding. Many of those families we spoke to here say the warnings came, but the storm moved faster than expected.
It stopped and cleared. I went upstairs and tried to survey the damage. I mean, immediately once I got upstairs, I could see the house opening and from the roof, from the front of the house, and all over.
After seeing this, I'll go back and look at whatever the state can do to help your local efforts. And then later this afternoon, I'll be talking to the feds.
That was Indiana Governor Mike Braun, as communities even across the state line there in Lake Village, Indiana, are also beginning a long road to recovery after this same storm system killed 2 people there and destroyed dozens of homes. State leaders say they hope federal disaster aid will help communities like Aroma Park and Lake Village rebuild, but officials say recovery will likely take months. Again, back out here live this morning, today's concern is the winds that are picking up and just ripping through this area once again. And it could send a lot of this debris flying, making it even more challenging for debris removal, especially right here in neighborhoods like you can take a look and see here behind me. Kankakee school districts also remain closed. We're live in Aroma Park. I'm Darius Johnson. Ladies, back to you.